Welcome again to my channel from Tanzania to Norway. Uh, Usually if someone visits Tanzania from here, I always ask them if they like the food there. For example, if they tried ugali or Chipsi Mayai. So I know Chipsi Mayai is really liked food, and back when I was in Tanzania, I ate it a lot. So when I'm here in Norway, I try also to make it, and I really have interest in cooking, so I always try different recipes and I try to change them too. So I try to make Chipsi Maya in a bit different way. So I used sweet potato fries. Um, I made videos so you can watch and then you can maybe try it also and make it at home and then give me feedback on what you think about it. Thank you. Chipsi Mayai is a Tanzanian most common food. In other name in English, you can call it potato egg omelette. Potato egg omelette because mostly the people use potatoes and egg to make it. White potatoes, I mean. So I try to make another version of Chipsi Mayai, and I use sweet potato fries, eggs, onions, bell pepper, and sausages. In Tanzania, you can try to ask to have some things in it, but mostly it's just potatoes and egg. So if you can maybe have some onion, bell pepper, and barbecue meat or mishkaki. So now I'm going to use sausages instead. I will fry my sweet potatoes in the oven. And I'm putting the time 25 minutes, and then I'm going to prepare my sausages by frying them and then cut them in small pieces. Egg, you can, if you're making for 2 eggs is enough. Break them and mix them, and you can add salt and black pepper. So there I have my onions ready cut. So if you will try to make your Chipsi Mayai with sweet potatoes, it's best to fry them in the oven like this, because if you deep fry them, they mostly come out soggy, so they don't taste really nice. So there I already put my things in the pan. You need to have good amount of oil on the Chipsi Mayai, so when it comes out, it doesn't feel so dry. If you put a small amount, it comes really dry. So mix your egg and just pour it on top. There you go. And don't wait too long, and turn it on the other side. You press it down to make all the eggs cooked. So when it's nice, dry and crispy, you can just take it out. You can put tomato ketchup on top or mayonnaise. It tastes really good. There you go. Take your beer or wine and have fun. So if you like this, you can try to make it, and please give me feedback. I would like to know if people will try to do this or not. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, remember to like and subscribe before you go.